Sí, freno, ¿no? Ah, vale, vale. Facilito.
There you are.
Uf. Hasta Lucas.
Rocket launchers. Cute.
Es un poco abusada.
Enjoy the afterlife. It's real fun. I got a fucking VTOL, dumbass. Can you slow me down?
Ahí es el problema de causa. ¿Cómo? No le doy, tío. ¿A qué queda? ¿Cómo te lo con esto? No, 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 no. Ah, como los helicópteros, tío.
All right. And done. Now for the inside. Let's do this.
Deja de poner música si no suena un caballo ahí masticando comida.
How long are we gonna play house for this nut job?
Look, as long as he's happy, we're not dead. We just need to figure out a way to escape. Maybe I could poison his food?
He makes you eat whatever you cook for him.
I can take one for the team.
Don't be crazy. What if we try?
Holy shit, are we mic'd?
No. This is something else.
I want them secured.
What's going on?
It's for your own safety.
It's our roommate, isn't it? They're here to say...
Save you? Is that what you... Eli, I'm sorry I hit you. There's a lot going on right now, and I got upset. Everything's going to be fine.
Don't worry, guys. I'm coming.
Un momentito.
Nina? Kev? Eli?
You need not worry over their safety. They are with me now. Alas, you will not survive long enough to see this for yourself.
I'm coming to end you, asshole. Just gotta do this first.
Let's give up and die already.
Yes.
A valiant effort, but you've already lost.
You're never gonna get past us. Stuff them out. What the fuck is wrong with you?
One step at a time. Huh. Let's go. Won't let you stop me.
¿Qué están aquí?
Do not worry, my friends. Things are going back to the way they were.
Toma.
You guys okay?
We're fine.
Why is Kev wearing a shirt?
Oh, it's so long. Look out!
Don't you see? You were never meant to protect them. You don't get it. They don't need my help. I need theirs.
No. No, mató a gato. No, toma.
You're fucked now, buddy.
Ojo.
Everyone okay?
Real good now.
¿Dónde va, tío?
I'll be better when I get this stupid shirt off.
Sacar la artillería ya. Hay mucha gente, tío. Matan a Wally, claro. Fácil, ¿no? Vale.
Nobody kidnaps me, psychopath.
Que sí. Quiero limpiar sobre todo esto de aquí. Pesados estos. Si no... hace mucho daño. Está arriba el pesado este. Qué pinta.
After everything I did for you.
Estás en la mierda, amigo. ¿Dónde vas? Que te veo. Ah, se acabó. Qué reventada. A chuparla. Esta ya está mierda de coger. A ver. Boom. Mate. Ahí está. ¿Cómo que capturan a Wally? Sí, qué mierda.
Oh, hell no.
Damn.
Get back here, you coward!
¿Ahora qué, ¿Cómo huyes?
Fucking
Perro.
face me.
No le hago daño. No.
Shit! Don't worry. We can handle the small fries. You
Voy,
go
voy,
kill
voy.
the shit out of that asshole. You got this.
Right. I got this.
Vamos.
You're taking the elevator? Come on, face me. I'm a beast.
We don't cross the Milwaukee and leave.
Vale. Cojo el ascensor, ya lo
Where
pillé.
the hell are you?
Encuentran a Wally.
Yo, where you at?
Está tirado.
Let's fucking do this.
What?
Predictable as always.
Hostia.
Bringing a gun to a helicopter fight.
Bueno, esto es facilito.
The last poor decision you make. You have nothing to say in reply?
I'm done talking. Fucking smoke. Gotta get out of here.
Hay gente aquí.
Should have stayed in the ground where I left you.
Hello. Vale. Ahora tú.
You make a mistake.
Saluda. Oh. Sí, correcto.
You are determined.
Más gente, ¿no? Vamos. A ver tu bebé.
First you, then your deceitful friends.
Puf, reventada. Aquí estoy. Shaggy esto lo puedo tío. Combate cuerpo a cuerpo. A muerte. A ver, por favor. Ojo. Los piercings. Ojo. Me ha dado. Creo que me ha dado, Ah, no lo he dicho. Ya está.
You ruined everything.
Así es. La historia de Shaggy.
You guys should come up here. It's a hell of a view.
Mortal terror aside, today was a good day.
Yes, sir, it was. I'm really sorry, guys.
About what? You saved our ass.
It was also my idea to get the Nawali's help in the first place.
No one could have predicted that much crazy.
Bad hires happen. It's okay.
No. If anything happened to you guys,
Hey, we love you.
I love you guys too.
That's because we're fucking awesome.
Here, here. You know, the Saints have only been around for like a minute, and we've already gained and defeated a nemesis. Not a bad start.
No. Not bad at all.
Se acabó.